Good morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, teacher. Morning, teacher.
Good morning.
Teacher, I sent you a video. Teacher, I sent you a video.
Yes, I
Good
know
morning.
you did a great job. I will show it to your friends. Morning, Ali.
Did you see the video?
Yes, and I will show it to your friends. You did a great job.
Good morning.
Okay, so did you solve the worksheet or not yet? Did anyone try to solve the worksheet?
I'm gonna do it.
We will solve it together now.
Which one?
Yeah, I will count till 5. Good morning all. Good morning. So yalla, first we should stop chatting. Don't send me anything in the chat. And at 5, you should mute yourself. When I call your name, you can help me to answer the question. I will share with you now the worksheet and we will solve it together. I'm good, ya Ali. Yalla, let's go. We started. I cannot check the chat anymore. Okay, so please stop sending me things on the chat. And if you want anything, you can raise your hand. Let's go, ya Ali Ghabris. Yalla, let's start with question number 1. We should check the correct answer. The force, the power of a magnet.
The force of a magnet is strongest at both poles.
Excellent job. The force of a magnet is strongest at the end pole, in the middle, or at both poles. So as you know, magnets have 2 poles, North Pole, N, and South Pole, S. And at the poles, the power and the force of a magnet is strongest. Thank you. Bravo يا علي. يلا يا هادي. Indicate the type of the magnet shown in the picture. We're talking about this magnet. Okay? What's the shape of this magnet? What's the type of this?
A bar magnet.
It's a bar magnet. So let me draw you something.
Horse.
What about this one?
Horseshoe.
It's a horseshoe magnet. This one is a bar magnet. Okay, so the correct answer is a horseshoe magnet.
So that's a horseshoe magnet.
Perfect. Bravo, ya Hadi. Excellent.
Teacher?
We have different types.
Are these pages in the book?
No. The first one, yes. You can find the first one in the book. We have different types and shapes of magnets. Okay? This is the horseshoe magnet. It looks like a horseshoe. This is a bar magnet, a ring magnet. This is a cylinder magnet. But there are many more. There are oval magnets, there are disc magnets, and they come in different shapes and types. So the power and the force of a magnet is strongest at the pole, and the magnet shown in this figure is a horseshoe magnet. يلا يا وسام. The ring magnets in the figure don't touch. We're talking about these now. Okay? Why these two magnets, A and B, are not touching each other?
Yes.
Why magnet A doesn't go down to magnet B?
They repel each other.
They repel. Perfect. Bravo, ya Wissam. They repel each other. Look, guys. Look. This is North Pole and North Pole. When we put the North Pole of a magnet next or near the North Pole of another magnet, they repel each other. They go away from each other. For this reason, magnets A and B don't touch each other. It's because they are repelling. يلا يا آية. آية صبرة. آية صبرة. Indicate the object that will be attracted to a magnet. We have to find the magnet.
Yes.
Where is the magnetic object? Will a magnet attract the first object, the second one, or the third one? Okay. Tell me, will the magnet attract the plastic pins, these toys, or this wooden horse? If you bring a magnet...
The first one.
The first one, bravo. So these pins are made of steel. They are made of steel. And steel is a magnetic material. So the magnet will attract this one. But magnets do not attract plastics. And magnets do not attract wood. So plastic and wood are non-magnetic objects. Bravo يا آية. يلا Elsa. This question is for Elsa and Ali Karaouni together. So we have two boats. We made two boats. We used papers, we used wood to build them. And the first one, we added paper clips to the first one and Play-Doh to the second one. Which one can be moved using a magnet? Which one you can use a magnet to move it? If we bring a magnet next to this one, will it move? If we bring a magnet next to the second one, will it move?
Oh. Yes.
Which one, the first one or the second one?
Yes.
The first one.
Why? Why I can move the first one?
The second one.
Why I can move this one using a magnet? شو ألسا؟ شو علي؟
Because
The magnet is very strong.
The magnet is strong and it will attract what?
Teacher, because the magnet
Because the magnet will attract.
it will attract the boat to move.
So which part of the magnet will be attracted to the
boat.
It will attract the paper right here, the wood, the paper clips, the Play-Doh. Which part of the boat will be attracted to the magnet? يلا علي شعيب, help us. We have two boats. We built them using papers, wood, and the first one we added paper clips. The second one we added Play-Doh. Which one can be magnet can be used to move which boat?
I have to choose which.
Okay, tell me, what's your answer?
It's number 2 because Play-Doh, when you put like, because Play-Doh, if you like don't play with it, you don't put it inside thing, it will be so hard to play with. So if you make a boat with it, the magnet can attract it.
Yeah, let me choose some. علي غبريس. علي غبريس gave an answer. علي عاصي. علي عاصي.
The magnets do not attract the
I have.
teacher.
Okay, what's your answer? I have a magnet. In which one can be used? The magnet will attract which boat? Number 1 or number 2?
It will attract number 2.
Okay, listen to me. Listen to me. Play-Doh.
No, it's 1.
Yes, ya Hassan. It's 1. Why?
It's 1.
Why?
The magnet attracts the boat of paper clips because it's a clips.
Perfect. Bravo, ya Hassan. Amazing job. Amazing answer, ya Hassan. Good job. The magnet cannot attract Play-Doh. The magnet also cannot attract paper, and the magnet cannot attract wood. So this one, the second one, cannot be attracted with a magnet. Okay? I cannot move this one using a magnet. Let's think of the second one. Okay? The magnet cannot attract paper. The magnet cannot attract wood, wala paper, but it can attract paper clips. Paper clips are made of steel, of a metal. They are made of a metal. So the magnet can attract the paper clips. For this reason, yes, we can move this one using a magnet. So this one, the first boat, can be attracted using a magnet. Okay?
Yes.
Yes. The first boat.
Can you put for me the point?
Yes, I will. The first boat is made using paper clips, which are magnetic objects. Yani they are attracted to a magnet, which are magnetic objects. So it can be attracted and moved using a magnet. So again, paper clips are made of steel. Steel is a magnetic material. I can use a magnet to attract it and to move it. Question number 3 now. Attract and repel. Attract and repel. Let's imagine these are magnets. They used car to show us the magnets. يلا يا جاد حسن. We have this car.
Yes. Yes.
What will happen to these two
Okay.
cars?
Okay.
Will they attract or repel?
Repel.
Why? Bravo يا جاد. These two will repel. Tell me, if this side, يا جاد, is S, this one is what?
What?
The first part of the car, this one, this side is S pole, South pole. So this side is what?
South. I don't know.
Which letter should I write right here? Each magnet has two poles, South pole and North pole. So which letter should I add?
South.
Oh, this side is the South
S.
pole. The magnet has already a South pole. It needs a S or N?
North Pole.
North pole. Thank you. This is a North pole. Also, the second one has a South pole. What should I write?
The second one has a South Pole.
N. Thank you. Good job. So as you can see now, the two magnets, so we put closer the same poles, N and N, like poles repel. Fatima Bitar. Thank you, Yajad. Excellent job. What about the second ones, ya Fatima?
Yes, teacher.
What about the second ones? Do they attract or repel?
Attract.
They will attract. Bravo.
Because
Because
S by N, it will attract each other.
bravo, ya
But S by
Fatima.
S repel.
Bravo, ya Fatima. So, like poles.
You're gonna give me a point?
Yes. Bravo, ya Fatima. Unlike poles, they attract. So look, one side of the car is S, the second side is N. South pole and North pole. South pole and North pole. So now we have different poles that are together. Different poles attract. They can attract each other, while same poles repel. Yalla, last two questions. Kareem and Zainab. Yalla, Kareem and Zainab. Question number 1.
Yes, miss.
We mixed macaroni and screws. Screws are made of iron. They are made of iron. We mix them together and we get this mixture. Look, how can we now separate the macaroni of metals? How can we separate them?
Although using would be grammatically correct.
What can we do, ya Zainab? What can we do to separate them? What can I use?
The magnet.
Miss, a magnet.
Wissam, it's not your turn, dear. يلا يا كريم, يلا يا زينب. What can I use to separate macaroni and screws?
As a question word. Okay? Okay.
Kamal, يلا يا Kamal. Help me, help Karim, and help Zainab. What can I use to separate macaroni and screws?
By using the magnet.
And what will happen if I use a magnet? The magnet will attract what?
The nail.
The nails, the screws. And the macaroni will be left in the bowl. Perfect, ya Kamal. So listen to me, guys. You can bring a magnet, okay? You can put the magnet inside this pot. So this is a magnet. You bring it, you put it in the pot. You use it to lift the screws. The magnet will attract the nails. It will attract the screws. And the macaroni will stay in the pot because they cannot be attracted to magnets. Okay? So again, like Kamal said, we can use a magnet. We will bring the magnet. We will put the magnet inside the pot. It will attract all the screws because they are made of iron. The macaroni will not be attracted by the magnet, so it will stay in the pot. So what should you write?
Miss, I say magnet, but the
Excellent.
internet will.
It's okay.
I have a magnet.
Bravo ya Fatima. So I can use a magnet that will attract the screws, but not the macaroni. The macaroni will stay in the pot. Bravo Karim, bravo Kamal. I can use a magnet. It will attract the screws, but it will not attract the macaroni. Last question now. We will talk about magnetics and non-magnetic objects. Magnetic objects are attracted by a magnet, but non-magnetic objects cannot be attracted by a magnet. يلا يا شمعوني فاطمة. يلا يا شمعونة. You can find the worksheet on the app, guys, okay? And also you can visit the Padlet to find the worksheet. يلا يا شمعونة. An eraser. An eraser. Is it magnetic or non-magnetic? If I use a magnet.
Non-magnetic.
Non-magnetic. Bravo ya Fatima. Don't send me anything in the chat. I cannot check it. Non-magnetics. If I bring a magnet next to an eraser, it will not attract it. So the eraser is a non-magnetic object. يلا حسن جباعي. حسن جباعي. A wooden button. The wooden button will be attracted to a magnet. Can I attract a wooden button to a magnet? Is it magnetic? Non-magnetic?
Miss?
Yes, Hassan.
Yes.
Magnetic or non-magnetic? quickly يا حسن. It's noisy your side. Is the wooden button magnetic or non-magnetic?
Can I answer?
It's Hassan's turn. شو يا حسن? If I bring a magnet, will it attract the wooden button?
It's unmagnetic because it's from wood.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you, Hassan Barud. Thank you so much. So this is a non-magnetic object because if I bring a magnet, it will not be attracted to the magnet and it is made of wood. So this is also a non-magnetic object. Tala. Yalla ya Tala. Paper clips.
Yes.
These are not paper clips. Hair clips. Can they be attracted to magnet? They
Magnetic.
are magnetic. Bravo. They are magnetic. Bravo ya Tala. If I bring a magnet, they will be attracted to the magnet. So they are magnetic. Yalla Zain. Yalla ya Zain. A hook. The hook is made of iron and steel.
Yes.
Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Yes.
Yes, magnetic. Bravo. Good job. They will be attracted. They will be attracted to magnets. Well done.
Magnet.
Don't. It's okay, ya Ali. The idea. It's okay. You don't need a magnet. Yeah. Let's continue. Who still didn't participate? Aya Skaike. Yalla ya Aya. Magnetic.
Yes.
Magnetic or non-magnetic? Let's start with the first object. This. Will it be attracted to a magnet?
The color. No.
Which no. It's not in the book. You don't have this. We're making
Non-magnetic.
Non-magnetic. Bravo ya Aya. This is non-magnetic. Yalla Asil. Yalla ya Asil. Please stop sending me. Please stop talking to me in the chat. I cannot check it. Yalla ya Asil.
A paper clip. Yes.
Yes. It will be attracted to a magnet. Excellent.
Because it's a metal.
It's made of metal. Bravo. Yalla. Fatima Shamoni, you answered. You all did answer, right? Yalla ya Wissam. Scissors.
Okay.
Scissors, ya Wissam. Magnetic or not non-magnetic?
Magnetic.
Stop talking to me in the chat. Don't send me anything in the chat. They are magnetic. Bravo ya Wissam. Ali Shaab. Yalla, Ali Shaab. We're talking about papers. Papers. Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Yes. None.
Non-magnetic. They will not be attracted to magnet. Bravo. Elsa. Elsa. A nail.
Yes.
A screw. Magnetic or not magnetic?
Magnetic.
Magnetic. برافو يا إلسا. هادي. A wooden ruler. It's a wooden ruler.
Yes.
Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Non-magnetic.
Non-magnetic. You did an excellent job. So items that can be attracted to a magnet are called magnetic. Items that cannot be attracted to a magnet, they are non-magnetic. We will watch together.
Because wood.
Yes? Yes, I'm listening. Because wood is not magnetic. So we will watch together the experiments done by your friends. Look, this is Zen. Zen did an experiment with his mom at home. He used a paper clip and he used also a magnet. He placed the paper clip in water. What do you think? Will the magnet attract the paper clip?
Yes.
No. What do you think, guys? Will the magnet attract the paper clip?
Yes. It's what. Yes. Yes.
You can unmute yourself.
Yes. Yes.
So look, yes.
Yes.
If you can see,
Yes. Yes.
yes, it will be attracted to a magnet. So look at the paper clip, then use the magnet to lift it without touching it. So even if the magnet was separated from the object by plastic and water, the magnets still work. Magnets work at distance. Magnets still attract at distance. They still work at distance. Let's watch another one. This one. So then you did an excellent job. Another video was done by our friend Ali Abu Khalil in 3A. He used different things. You can unmute yourselves and you have to answer by yes or no. Magnetic or non-magnetic. You can unmute yourselves.
Okay.
Ali has a magnet. He will try to
Yes, to
attract.
unmute.
He will try to attract the wooden spoon. Is a wooden spoon magnetic or non-magnetic? Yes or no?
Non-magnetic.
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 Look at this toy. This toy. Look at this toy. This toy has metal in it. Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Magnetic.
Magnetic. Bravo. Look, it's attracted by magnet. So it's magnetic. Look at this. The nail scissors. Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Magnetic.
Magnetic. They are made of steel. Bravo. What about keys? Magnetic or non-magnetic?
Magnetic.
Yes, magnetic.
Magnetic.
What about this?
Magnetic.
Magnetic. Bravo.
Magnetic.
Hairbrush.
Magnetic.
The plastic hairbrush.
Non-magnetic.
Non-magnetic. Bravo.
Non-magnetic.
The plastic plate. The plastic spoon.
No.
Non-magnetic. The plastic.
Non-magnetic.
So now he will.
Not magnetic.
Aluminum.
Yes. Magnetic.
Listen to me.
not magnetic.
Listen to me. Not all cans. Not all cans can be attracted to a magnet. Some of them are made of steel, so they are magnetic. But the one that is with Ali, it's made of aluminum. So look, it's not attracted by a magnet. Paper. Is paper magnetic or non-magnetic?
No.
Non-magnetic. Non-magnetic. Okay. Let me show you one more thing.
Teacher?
Yes.
The magnetic will gonna be in the iron.
So iron is found in magnetic objects. That's right. Bravo.
Yeah.
I still need to show you something and then we're done. In a magnet, so magnets have two poles. They have a south pole and a north pole. Like poles attract and unlike poles repel.
خلصنا اصلا. دخل عم تحكي على شيء اظهر. ماما اظهر عم تحكي على شيء ما بشوف.
No, you cannot leave and don't talk in Arabic.
ماما شو عم تحكي على؟ عم.
يلا. Look at this. Will these two magnets attract or repel? Attract or repel?
Attract.
I'm talking with all of you now. Will these two magnets attract or repel?
Attract.
Attract. We have a south pole and a north pole, so they will attract. What about these two? When we put the
repel.
Good job. These two will repel because like poles repel. And we're done for today. If you still have any questions, I'm listening. I wish you a very good luck in your quiz. You can do it. You are all excellent in science.
Goodbye.
Bye-bye.
Goodbye, teacher.
Bye.
Goodbye. Bye. Bye.